just had a pretty big hit. We took a turn T6, slowed up for it, took a hard turn to the right, 110-degree turn. And the yellow boat over there decided to shove it up the inside without slowing down. And yeah, we've got some massive holes in the side of the boat.
Our race day morning at Lymington had been going very smoothly, and all the prep and everything looked good. Weather was good. We were all hopeful for a good result.
Yeah, we're just trying to save it at the moment. We're maybe 6 or 7 miles from help. We've got the rib tied alongside. So yeah, hopefully we'll get it back and see what happens. So we're I don't know, a couple of miles from Poole. I'm having to hand bail. The pumps are getting weaker, but we're sort of, I've been scooping as much out as I can. But yeah, stuffed loads of rags down and try and stop the water coming in. And we've put the life raft in here to try and keep it afloat and a load of buoyancy. Hopefully we're going to keep hold of it.
Yeah, that's all right. You carry on going over there.
Worth ahead if you need space to go somewhere. No, it won't. It's silly. Yeah, you could change your table frame.
Yeah, he's alright. Yeah. Right, I've got to go.
Right. Oh yeah, fucking, that's about as close to there's an exhaust pipe in the side of our canopy.
Oh my God.
You are lucky that you two are, that yours didn't.
Here she goes, ready to take it home, get started.
After the crash, it was a relief to get Double Trouble back on dry land and now back to Cornwall. As you can see, there's significant damage to the cockpit, hull and superstructure.
Yeah, in there like.
Yeah.
As you can see, nothing is unscathed at the minute. Carnage. Carnage everywhere. As of yet, we can't really discuss the incident, but you can see there's been a significant amount of damage to the hull. It's going to take a lot of work and probably most of the winter to repair, because there's frames gone, the side of the hull to rebuild. Yeah, a lot of work.
Up and running tonight, flush them out. This one's had water sprayed at it, so it won't start at the minute. That one, the fuel lines are severed, and once we've got them running, we can flush them all through, spray them down so they're not corroding, and then they'll get the engines out the weekend, and then we've got the drive. Everything's got to come out, the whole lot of the strip, and then we can get it up to the glass shop and see if we can start putting it back together properly.
The port engine was refusing to start. Started to investigate what the problem was.
Oh yeah, we couldn't get the engine started on the port side yesterday, the one that got most of the water. Sorry, port side was running. Starboard side we couldn't get running. So we've had a look, it kept firing now and then stopping, but we got a better look today at the ignition MSD. Great ignition these, but they don't like water, as you'd imagine. So it's, you could smell it as soon as you took it out of the cover. It's little magic smoke, so it was come out of there. So yeah, whacked another ignition unit on it. It's like 9 o'clock Wednesday night. We're just about to connect it up to some water and see if we can get it running. Are you ready, Dev? Water! Oh, there we go. It's a bit misty at the moment, hopefully she'll clear. Sounds a bit misty there, hopefully we get that sorted. That sounds better.
It's now Saturday morning and James is here removing the exhaust systems so that we can then get access to the engines and remove them. And Grant and Dev are stripping down the cockpit and the bow sections. Grant and James are busy disconnecting all the wires and hoses and unbolting the engine. The guys have worked hard, and by lunchtime, the engine had been lifted out. Everything's got to come off the transom. We thought we'd start with the easier items, like the trim tabs. Is it definitely free, is it? Is everything off in there, James?
Yeah, it is. Just,
Am I going to have to actually be useful?
no, I think you're alright.
There you go, that's it.
Hey.
2 bits down, 5,000 more to go. By early afternoon, the boys had got the second engine ready to lift. As you can imagine, this crash has been a massive setback in our plans. Increases our workload and costs this winter massively. It will be something like £70,000. We're looking for sponsorship, and we're going to have things like YouTube membership and other ways if anybody feels they want to help us with this project.